Now, Omaha's verified most accurate forecast.
I'm meteorologist Tim Schmidt with a look at your weekend forecast, and we'll start out Friday night into Saturday with returning rain chances and maybe even some snow chances as we get into Saturday evening and Saturday night. Less than 1/2 inch of snow is expected in areas for our northern half of our viewing area. No travel impacts are expected out of this. And it looks cold for Sunday and Monday morning. The cold, though, is short-lived because we're back into the 60s there early into next week. Let's track out what's coming next. For Friday evening and Friday night, we're dry, just progressively mostly cloudy. By the time it's Saturday morning, temperatures will be in the upper 30s to near 40, so it'll be a cold rain for almost all of us, with the exception of areas nearby Carroll and Denison. You'll get into some rain and snow showers for the morning hours up that direction, which could lead to some brief minor accumulations for the morning hours. A lot of this, though, is going to be melting off throughout the day as temperatures start to warm back into the 40s and even the low 50s south of Omaha. If you live north of Omaha, you'll be in the 30s all day as colder air starts to move back into the region, though, for Saturday evening. All of this rain will start to change over to kind of a rain and snow mix, ending with just some snow flurries heading into the late evening hours on Saturday. There's not a lot of moisture, though, with that Saturday evening round, so I doubt we'll see any accumulations of snow. By the time it is Sunday morning, temperatures will be down in the low 20s, and it's going to be cold for Sunday. Our snow forecast here for the weekend: for Saturday morning, we could see a brief, maybe trace to up to 1/2 inch of snow for areas nearby Carroll and Denison. Outside of that, I think a lot of us are probably just going to see snow melt once it hits the ground. And other than that, just some snow flurries mixed in with some of the rain throughout the evening hours. The rain timeline really kind of just through the morning, the afternoon, and the evening. That's when we'll be dealing with that cold rain outside. The snow accumulation chances are probably best up near Carroll, Iowa in the morning. Once we get into the evening, it's mainly just snow flurries outside, as there's just not a lot of moisture in the air by the time that moves in. And by the time it's Sunday morning, we'll have temperatures down in the teens and 20s with wind chills for Sunday morning around maybe 9 or 10 degrees. Just some cold weather reminders here for you this weekend. Just make sure all of those water pipes outside are winterized. Otherwise, with temperatures down near 20 degrees or colder, those pipes could burst both Sunday morning and Monday morning of next week. Your forecast for Saturday, kind of a yucky day, let's call it. 39 in the morning, 42 to 45 in the afternoon. Once we get into the evening, temperatures will be dropping again, cold enough to where some of that snow will mix into the region. It's mostly rain during the day, but some snow flurries become possible here in Omaha heading into Saturday evening. Saturday night gets breezy. We're down to 23 for Sunday morning and a high at only 35 on Sunday afternoon. 19 for Monday morning. We're up to 42 on Monday afternoon. Veterans Day is on Tuesday. Should be a little warmer outside, and a high of 62 starting on Tuesday.